All right, so this has some Sunox parts in it, but mostly Trans-go. It's springed and valved for towing, and that has all steel planetaries, and that has 5 pinion planetaries in that transmission. But that's the one I just rebuilt, and that's going to be my towing truck. So I know it's a little Dakota, but it does all the towing, and after it gets springs, it'll be doing a lot more towing. So all right, that's next time you see it, it'll be probably a test drive. So all done. The kit I put in, this is it, which is, yeah, there's the number here. Yeah, there's no number on it, but there it is. Diesel kit. Yeah, all of it's done. If it says it, it's done. Yeah, I had to use their plate. This is all in there. Don't need this because I got the plate. Green spring. Yes, I have one 100-thou hole. This is notched with a file. I do have the improved boost valve for it. That's installed. Yeah, I got the white one in there for gas. Plates in there. All the plugs are in there. I have the updated TV valve, so I didn't do that. It is updated to that one. Or I'm sorry, this is the Sunox one that's in there. I did get a new one with the kit, so that's in there. It is adjusted. The cherry bomb, cherry bomb is in there. I broke that, so I had to get another one. Of course, I had that in stock, so. Red spring installed, drilled straight through, plugged. I thought I lost that spring, but I decided to put it all together, and I only had one spring left over, so it went there. Yeah, that's in, that's plugged. As far as the reverse goes, the reverse, it's drilled out to 84 thou. Okay, it says to leave it alone if you're not snow plowing, but I put it at 84 thou. Yep, orange. I drilled out the holes. The holes are yeah, this one's drilled out, but there's another plate that you got to drill. I think I just passed it out. Yeah, it's okay. It is this one. So yeah, this is drilled out to it's actually drilled out to 98 thou. 96, 98, somewhere around there. And the reverse is drilled to 84. That's why it's marked down there. All check balls in. Yep, I drilled that plate. It's think it's 100 thou, something like that. It's that size. Yep, all done. Yep. Okay. That's the kit I got. It's installed. 5 pinion planets in that transmission. It's got double bushings for the sun gear and drilled and cross drilled. The only thing I didn't do to that transmission is the intermediate shaft. I didn't put the plug kit in it. Hopefully this kit will remedy that. But yeah, it has about 1,000 miles on it. I have to readjust the transmission, and the only thing I didn't do was install that. So now it's installed. Now I'm going to be driving it and seeing how it reacts.